this is page 5 under Molarity, Linking Literacy. All right, so these are not questions, these are statements. Molarity equals moles of solute per liter of solution. Moles per liter. So basically what this is saying is molarity equals moles per liter. A 1 liter solution, so if you have 1 liter, that's your liters at the bottom. So 1 at the bottom. Solution containing 1 mole of solute, so at the top containing 1 mole of solute, equals 1 mole per liter. So that is a 1 molar solution. Okay, this next one says 1 liter solution. So we've got molarity equals moles per liter. So it's a 1 liter solution, so the liters is 1. 10 moles at the top, has a molarity of 10. 10 divided by 1 equals 10. So it's a 10 molar solution. What do you know? Oh, let's see, hold on, I skipped this line right here. The second solution is 10 times more concentrated than the first solution. So this first one is a 1 molar solution. The next one is a 10 molar solution. So this one is 10 times stronger than this one because it's 10 molar instead of 1 molar. What do you know? What do you know? Fill in the missing quantities to describe the molarity of a NaCl solution. In some cases, the solution that the values describe has been diluted. All right, so the first column is the amount of NaCl in moles. So this first row has 4 moles of NaCl. The second column is the volume of this original solution, 3 liters. Volume of water added during the dilution, and then you calculate the molarity. All right, so the total volume, there were 3 liters, and we added 5. So the total volume is going to be 8 because 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so our volume is 8 liters. We have 4 moles. Molarity equals moles per liter. Okay, there are 8 liters. There are 4 moles. 4 divided by 8 equals 0.5 molar. So this is 0.5 molar. Okay, 4 plus 0 gives us a total of 4 liters. So our total liters is 4. Our molarity is 0.25. So we basically want to take this same equation, but this time we want to solve for number of moles. So if we rearrange this equation, and this works nicely into the triangle formula, so it's easy to manipulate the equation, moles equals molarity times liters. So we have moles equals molarity times liters. From our chart, the molarity is 0.25 times, and we have a total of 4 liters. That's 4 plus 0, so 4 liters equals, and we can just put that into the calculator. We have 0.25 times 4 equals 1. So we have 1 mole. Okay, so this time we're wanting to know the total liters. So liters, oops, that way the camera can see it, liters equals moles over molarity. Okay, so we have the total number of moles is 6 over the total number of liters, which is 2. 6 over 2 equals 3 liters. Okay, so we already have 2 right here, so we'll have 1 right here, and our total 2 plus 1 is 3 liters. This chart would have been a lot less confusing if they'd put a total on there. All right, next row, 2 moles. We're going to add 0 liters, and it's going to be a 2 molar solution. So the total liters is really what we're trying to solve for right here. Liters equals moles over molarity. So the number of moles from our chart, we have 2 moles. Whoops. Get up high. 2 moles. And the molarity is 2 molar. 2 over 2, of course, is 1 liter. So we want a total of 1 liter. 1 liter. Okay, and that last row, we've got a total of 4 liters. So if we have, and this one actually can't be solved. They didn't give you enough information. I paused that to try to figure out what to do, and I have come to the conclusion that this is a typo and they should have filled in another number. So we're just going to magically fill in 2 mole because I finally found the answer key, and it's just, this is a number pulled out of the blue. It's the problem with stem scopes. It's not the greatest, but it's what we have for now, so we'll make do with it. All right, so if we know this is 2, then we have a total of 4 liters, and we want to get the molarity. Molarity equals moles per liter. So we've said that there are 2 moles. We pulled that number out of the blue because this has typos on it, and they really should have had one of those filled in. And liters is 4 equals 0.5 molar. 0.5 molar.